Hello friends. Do you love listening to music on your earbuds? Many of us do. But have you ever wondered what happens to your ears when you use them for too long? You might be damaging your hearing without even realizing it. Let's uncover the shocking truth about how earbuds can silently harm your ears. How earbuds work. Earbuds are designed to fit snugly inside your ear canal, delivering sound directly into your eardrum. Unlike over-the-ear headphones, these small devices send concentrated sound waves deep into your ear, which can lead to long-term damage if not used properly. The science behind ear damage. When sound enters our ears, tiny hair cells inside the cochlea pick up the vibrations and send signals to the brain. However, when we listen to music at high volumes, especially above 85 decibels, these hair cells can get damaged or die. And here's the bad news. These hair cells do not regenerate. Once they're gone forever. The effects of earbud overuse. Using earbuds for long hours can lead to several problems, including tinnitus, a constant ringing or buzzing in your ears, hearing loss, permanent damage due to prolonged exposure to loud sounds, ear infections, bacteria buildup due to unclean earbuds, ear pain and pressure caused by the tight fit of earbuds. How to use earbuds safely. Here's how you can protect your ears while still enjoying your music. Follow the 60 by 60 rule. Listen at 60% volume for a maximum of 60 minutes at a time. Use noise-canceling earbuds. This helps you listen at lower volumes without external noise interference. Take breaks. Give your ears rest after prolonged listening. Keep your earbuds clean. Avoid ear infections by regularly cleaning your earbuds. Make smart choices today to protect your ears for the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.